Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Jeep Cherokee battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm or 13mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and your new battery. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. For your safety, wear protective gloves and eye protection throughout the entire process to prevent any potential injuries. Preparation is key for a smooth replacement. Now, let's safely remove the old battery. Begin by locating the battery, which is usually found under the hood on the passenger side of your Jeep Cherokee. Using your 13mm wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first. Always remember, negative first. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal, carefully setting both cables aside to avoid contact. Finally, remove the battery hold-down clamp to free the old battery from its tray. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and terminal clamps thoroughly using a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery securely into the tray, making sure it fits snugly. Reattach the hold-down clamp firmly to prevent any movement while driving. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. This order is crucial for proper electrical connection. You're almost done. To extend your battery's life, apply anti-corrosion grease to both terminals. Double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Loose connections can cause issues. Now, start your vehicle to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly and everything is working as it should. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old battery at a certified recycling center. Great job! You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.